Good morning to everyone. Dear student, in the previous video we had completed chapter number 14 symmetry exercise 14.1 and 14.2. So for today's video we are going to see exercise 14.3 question number 1. So what is given in question number? Let's see. Name any two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. That is what we have to give answer over here. The answer, we have to name any two figure which is having a line symmetry and rotational symmetry both in one figure we have to name. So what will be the name of such figure? Can we consider the circle? Circle is having many line of symmetry, of course infinite line of symmetry, and circle is having rotational symmetry. Why it is so? Because the rotational symmetry is depends on three condition. First condition is this one x, this one is the center O. So first condition is center of rotation, isn't it? What I told you, center of rotation. Then second, angle of rotation. Let me explain you for the rotation condition. Mainly the rotational symmetry is depends on 3 to 4 conditions that I had already explained you in the starting of this chapter. Okay, when I am explaining you the definitions, there I had explained you. So mainly the rotational symmetry depends on the 3 to 4 condition. First condition is the center of rotation. Clear? Center of rotation. Second condition is angle of rotation. Center of rotation means at the center it depends. Second, whatever the center is making a angle, with that angle it's depend. Okay, then order of rotation. Clear? So these are the three conditions on which rotational symmetry is depend. So what are the three conditions on which the rotational symmetry is going to depend? That is center of rotation, angle of rotation, and order of rotations. Clear, student? So this rotational symmetry mainly depends on the three conditions. So we have to name such a figure which is having both line of symmetry as well as the rotational symmetry. Both it should have. So as we know that a circle is there and circle is having many infinite countless line of symmetry. Okay, so it can be considered as a line of symmetry. But if we are talking about the rotational symmetry, whether circle is the appropriate answer for this, so of course it will be appropriate answer. Why it is so? Because a circle is having center. Yes or no? Center it having now, so it is having center of rotation. Next, if we are going to rotate a circle, circle is having how many quadrants? Whatever the quadrant if you want to do, you can do. Okay, so suppose we are having 4 quadrant, that means 90, 90, 90, 90. So it can be depends on the angle of rotation. If you want to create the 60-degree angle or 30-degree angle, it is also possible in the circle because many line of symmetry is present in this. That's why. Okay, so first condition is satisfied that it is depends on center of rotation. Second condition also it satisfied that it's depend on angle of rotation, and third condition is of order of rotation. If we are going to rotate the circle about 90 degree, then how much rotation will be take place in order to come its original position? It will be take 4 because 90 here, 90 here, 90 here, 90 here. 4 angles are 90, that means 4 order of rotation. Hence a circle is an example for a figure which have both line of symmetry and a rotational symmetry. So have you understood why circle is considered as both line of symmetry and a rotational symmetry? So the circle is the best example that is having line symmetry and the rotational symmetry. Now let's take the example second, since it is asked two figure, so we will consider the square also. Square is also having, if we are going to draw a square, is this a square? Can have the line of symmetry. It is having 4 line of symmetry. When we are going to rotate this is the line of symmetry, yes. So this is the center. This is the center of a square. So it depends on the center. Depends on the it satisfies the condition of a rational condition of a rotational symmetry, isn't it? Then if we are going to rotate this in a clockwise direction about 90 degree, since it is having the 90 degree at its corner, So it satisfies the angle of rotation condition for the rotational symmetry, isn't it? Third, how many order of rotation it have? 4 order of rotations it have. Thus square and a circle will be the example for both will be the example for the figure which is having both line of symmetry and a rotational symmetry. So student, if it is in the question, it is asked about many names. If it is asked 3 names, 4 names, 5 names, that name 5 figures that having both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. In that, what you will going to do? In that, this 2 you have to write. Then can write the equilateral triangle name, isn't it? Then hexagon, pentagon. So all these figures will be the examples for the figure which is having both line of symmetry and the rotational symmetry. Clear? Then question number 2. What is said in the question number 2? Draw whatever possible a rough sketch of. So dear student, what we have to do over here? Here we have to draw a rough sketch. Which kind of figure we have to draw a rough sketch? That will be present in question number 2, first part. We have to draw a rough sketch of a triangle with both line symmetry and a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. More than 1, that means it should be not be a scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, because scalene triangle does not have any line of symmetry, means it is 0 line of symmetry is present in the scalene triangle, and isosceles triangle is having only 1 line of symmetry. Since in the question it is said about order more than 1 symmetry, that means which triangle will come? Obviously the equilateral triangle will come, because it is having how many order of symmetry? Line of symmetry 3 possible. Okay, then when you are going to rotate the equilateral triangle, it is having 60-degree rotation, it will be take place, isn't it? And order of rotation is 3, isn't it? That's why for this, a triangle with both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1 will be is an equilateral triangle. Clear? Second part of the question, a triangle with only line symmetry, no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. In the second part of the question, we have to take an example in such a way that which is a triangle which is having a line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry will be present. So such type of triangle is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle which is having any 2 sides are of equal measurement, isn't it? The length are equal, therefore it is having only 1 line of symmetry, but the rotation is not more than 1. No rotational symmetry of order more than 1 means उससे एक से ज़्यादा उसमें rotational symmetry नहीं होना चाहिए, और rotational symmetry का जो order है वो 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. This is said in the question. So that's why isosceles triangle will come here. Now in the third part of question number 2, it is said that a quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line symmetry. So we have to take an example of a quadrilateral which is having a rotational symmetry. Order more than 1. Order should be more than 1. Either it can be 2, either it can be 4, 5, 6, any, but it should not have a line of symmetry. So if we are going to take as an example of a square which is a quadrilateral, so it is having order of symmetry as well as the line of symmetry. So we won't take this. Hexagon, it is also having rotational symmetry as well as the line of symmetry. So it is also not, we won't take as an example. So here it is not possible because of order of symmetry is more than 1 in the figure. So for this question, it is not possible. A quadrilateral which is having a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line of symmetry, such kind of quadrilateral does not exist. So it will be right, not possible for the third part of question number 2. Clear? Next, what we are having, student? A quadrilateral with line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So here we have to name a quadrilateral, we have to draw the sketch of a quadrilateral which is having a line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry. Not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Rotational symmetry एक से ज़्यादा उसमें नहीं होना चाहिए. So we have to give the name. So in this question number 2, have you understood what we have to do, student? So we have to draw the rough sketch, as it is said in the question that we have to draw the rough sketch over here, isn't it? So let's see the question number 2. We have to draw a rough sketch over here. So for the first part, a triangle with both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1 will be the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has both line symmetry as well as the rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Have you understood? So if we are talking about the line symmetry in an equilateral triangle, this is an equilateral triangle and it is having all the 3 sides are equal, then this will be the line of symmetry in that, isn't it? And if we are talking about the rotational symmetry in equilateral triangle, isn't it? So this is the rotational symmetry. Its angle will be going to rotate. Suppose 3 position will be take place, isn't it? This is A. Okay. Now as we know that it's take 3 position to rotate. Then first position, if we are going to rotate this, A will come here and the rotation will be of 120 degree. Second position, if A will be rotate, here it will become and the rotation will be of 120 degree. Again in the third position, A will come over here, isn't it? And the rotation will be again 120 degree. So again it is having how much degree rotation? 3 degree rotation, 3 rotational symmetry it's having. Means order of rotational symmetry in equilateral triangle is 3 and angle of it will be 120 degree. Have you understood this? So this figure you have to draw as well as you have to understood. Clear? Now in the second part of the question number 2, it is said that a triangle with only line symmetry, no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Such kind of triangles are, which triangle it will be? Of course it will be an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1 is present. Means उसमें रोटेशनल सिमेट्री होता ही नहीं है तो ऑर्डर कहाँ से प्रेजेंट होगा, लाइक दैट इट इज सेड. ओके, सो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इज हियर. As we know that isosceles triangle is having any 2 sides are equal, so one line of symmetry is possible. And about rotational symmetry, since if we are having a circle, if we are having a straight line and going to rotate a, have you seen the clock hand? One clock hand will be at 12 and another will be 6. So if it rotates one complete position in order to rotate, मीन्स 360 डिग्री में अगर उसको रोटेट करेंगे एक ही पोजीशन पे तो कितना रोटेशन होगा? एक ही रोटेशन होगा ना, ओनली वन रोटेशन विल बी देयर. दैट्स वाई दिस इज एन एग्जांपल of isosceles triangle which is having only one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1 is present over here. Clear, student? Next question we are having, say we have to name such, we have to draw a figure of a quadrilateral which is having a rough sketch of a quadrilateral which is having no line of symmetry but order of symmetry will be more than 1. Okay, so the answer for this, it is not possible because order of rotational symmetry is more than 1 of a figure. So that's why it is not possible. Clear? Next question we are having a trapezium. It is asked the example, isn't it? So a trapezium which has equal non-parallel sides, a quadrilateral. So what is the example for this? A trapezium. For the fourth part of question number 2, answer will be trapezium. Why it is so trapezium? Because have you seen that figure of trapezium? This is the figure of a trapezium. When we are going to have an ice cream cone and we are going to cut that half part, isn't it? We can have the trapezium figure. When we are having an ice cream cone and we are going to cut the head of that cone, then we are having that head cone, है ना? We are having that shape is said to be as a trapezium. So this side will be parallel to this side. So it is having one parallel line in this, isn't it? So a trapezium which has equal non-parallel side, that means they are, of course these are parallel, but their measurements might be different, their sides measurement is different. They are parallel but their sides measurement will be different. Okay, not a rotational symmetry, but it is not having a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Clear, student? So this is the question for exercise 14.3, question number 1 and 2. In the next video we are going to see question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 solutions. So for today, thank you everyone.